Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll show you how we can access your Google Wallet on your desktop. So without further ado, let's get right into it. As you can see, I've logged into my Gmail on Chrome browser. So just log in on your desktop and click on this Google Apps button over here. Scroll all the way to the down and you will see an option here called Wallet. So this is the wallet that is connected with your Gmail account. So it says welcome to Google Wallet. So first and foremost thing is to add a card, add a debit or a credit card that you can use Google Pay with, and just click on add payment method. You need to enter your card details here, card number, the date and the month, and the CVVs, and click on save. Once you click on save, it will be added to the Google Wallet, and you will be able to see those cards from here, from payment method. Right now I'm not gonna add any of the card, but I'm just giving you a overview of how it works on the desktop. And you can also add your passes like your boarding pass or your event passes on your Gmail, and this will be synced to your Gmail account on your Android phone or your Apple phone. So that's how it works. So that's how you can access your Google Wallet on your desktop. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.